Hello everyone, I hope you're having a beautiful day. Thank you for tuning into our channel and watching our videos. Today, we'll be taking a tour of a just listed townhouse in charming and sought after Chandler, Arizona. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a split floor plan. My name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes team here in the Valley of the Sun. We would be happy, actually honored, to assist with all of your real estate needs, be it buying and or selling, renting, investing. Perhaps it's time to upsize or downsize. My contact information is located in the description below. But for now, let's get started on the tour of this charming Chandler townhouse. Quick add-on about this charming Chandler townhouse. It's in a gated community and features a playground and community pool for all to share. What do you think about that, champ?
Oh, wow. Nice house.
Yes? Yes, in fact it is.